Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Take a look. Co-op Live Arena Construction Update. Co-op Live is an indoor arena currently under construction in Manchester, England. Due to open in April 2024, the arena is planning to host live music, sports, comedy acts, and family entertainment events. It will have an all-seated maximum capacity of 20,500 for a center stage concert, extending the retractable seating in the lower tier, but with an enhanced maximum capacity of 23,500, of whom 7,500 would be standard, when lower tier seating is retracted. The main ground floor public entrances to the arena will be from the northwest with additional access to level 1 from the canal side to the southeast. The stage end will be to the east. In addition to live music and entertainment, the developers propose basketball, netball, tennis,